While the pond's draining, I think I'll start de-wading. Busy day. As you can see, all the weeds just took over. There's some trees in there somewhere. Them dandelions are bigger than the cherry. We have some trees in there somewhere. There's the fish pond all nicely clean. I lost a big white fish, didn't survive. Get all the weeds out the trees practically. You can see the cherry now, there's no dandelions. You can see the trees and the planters. Yes, we have some trees. It's a nice little dawn redwood that was a cutting 2 years ago. Got some nice little movement in it.